Nemunas Valley Road is widely regarded to be the most scenic road in entire Lithuania. This road traces Nemunas, Lithuania's largest river. For more than 50 kilometers west of Kaunas, it runs in the Nemunas Valley right beside the river itself. Nemunas Valley Road is especially famous for its castles and manors that can be visited en route. These buildings were used as opulent residences rather than defensive structures, but their impressive towers and strong walls may be deceptive. Only a couple kilometers from Kaunas city limits stands Raudondvaris with its castle-like red brick manor. It was built in the 16th and 17th centuries. Further on you will pass Raudonė, a castle with a 34 meters fairy tale-like Gothic tower. It was originally built in the late 16th century and rebuilt after suffering heavy damage in World War II. Finally, there is the Panemunė Castle. It dates to 1604 and was built in Renaissance style. It now houses a museum and a hotel, and you may climb its mighty towers. The castle is being restored. The surrounding park still provides a nice stroll, even after heavy damages done by the Soviets. There used to be far more castles next to the Nemunas Valley here. This is evident by many empty castle hills. These hills could still be climbed, offering great views of the Nemunas River and the Valley Road. One such great castle hill is shown here at Seredžius. Many towns near the road are pretty. Many of them are built in two levels, the lower level, close to Nemunas River, and the higher level, on the valley's rim. In a lowland country of Lithuania, that lacks any mountains, such urban design is unique. Some 90 kilometers west of Kaunas, at the town of Jurbarkas, the Nemunas Valley Road slowly leaves the mighty river. Yet, the route continues on to some of the prettiest sights of Lithuania. The Nemunas Delta, the seaside resorts, and the port city of Klaipėda. We leave those, however, for the upcoming drone tours over Lithuania.